Welcome back to this Clown's Garage. In this video, I will show you how to do an amperage draw test. This car's battery drains real fast. Now, as you can see here, this is set to amps. We have the meter, the red probe going to the cable, the negative side of the cable. We took the cable off. And the black goes straight to the battery, negative side of the battery. And over here, the red is connected to 10 amps and the black to the COM port. And that is calibrated to the amp setting. We have 0.274 amps being drawn right now. We have to make sure there's no underhood lights or any lights inside the car that are on while we're doing this. And the draw should be anywhere between 0.02 amps to 0.05 amps. That's the range where it's good. So that is obviously bad. Now, the right way to do this is to go to the fuse block and pick every fuse out and see if it drops. That'll give you a hint. If it does drop, that'll give you a hint where the circuit is, that there's a short. In this case, let's take the clip behind the alternator off. As we do that, it's 0.01, the draw. So the diodes are bad on this alternator, causing a draw when the engine is off. So the alternator is bad. And go ahead and replace this alternator. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like me, and share me. See ya!